Okay, this is stock number 8-49K. This is a, oh crap, what year is this? It is a January of 2003 Volvo XC90. Had it running for about 20 minutes now. This is the twin turbo or bi-turbo. Got a power steering leak because it's got a GM cap on it, so it's puking everywhere. I'm sure. But as far as the engine itself, it's gonna be a little valve cover leak. That's about it. Tiny bit of a top end noise in it, but there's no check engine light or anything, or at least it wasn't when I first fired it up. Let's see. Nope. No check engine light. We have 152,029 for miles. No overheat or anything else. No smoke or anything else. The transmission does bump forwards and backwards fine, but I can't drive it because the rear suspension is all screwed up. But I'll show you the bump anyway. This has almost no brakes either, so I gotta be careful. There's forwards. And there's backwards. So everything that way looks to be okay. All the power accessories work. So looks like good drivetrain. And a bunch of other parts too I think we can get off of this.